Hi.
Hey.
Come on. Hi, Popo.
Super friendly.
Hi. Alright. Oh, crap.
Right here and on the front of the other.
Yeah, that's a bad one. Hi.
Hey.
Come on. Hi, Popo.
Super friendly.
Hi. Alright. Oh, crap.
Right here and on the front of the other.
Yeah, that's a bad one. Yeah. It's always the way. Didn't get off or anything, eh?
It got hit over here, moved and then moved back. Taking out one over there. It's like a mini turn.
I'm not touching. They bring me a leash?
Tried to give her a treat, but didn't want it. The dog fault.
It's actually scaring her that plastic. With both legs.
Yeah. You want to hold two legs?
I'm always scared to move them when they get hit by a car. You never know what your injuries are.
If you can lift, I can slide it again.
Huh?
If you can lift, I could probably slide it up there.
Oh, I got her nip. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, good. Yeah, there we go.
No more difference.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.